everyone. Today I actually have something a little bit different for you. What I got was a Ranger Ink mystery box. And I do usually get these when they do them. They usually do them every 1 or 2 months. But typically I know what's in it. For example, last month when I purchased it, it said a box of liquid pearls. And that's exactly what I got. I got like 12 or 15 liquid pearls for $9.99, I believe. Plus I had to pay for shipping. This month I have no idea what's in here. This box was $12.99 plus shipping. I think I ended up paying somewhere around $17.99. And I have no idea what's in it. So I thought I would go ahead and open it up and let you see at the same time. So let's check it out. It's a lot of random stuff. Looks like there might be some duplicates from the other months though, so keep that in mind too, that they're not specifically brand new items. They're just items that they're getting rid of, basically. I already have this bag, although it's kind of cool. Let's see what else is in here. Stickles. I love stickles. I love glitter. Distressed glitter. More stickles. Purple. Yellow distressed glitter. Not my favorite color, but it's good accent color. More stickles. Lots of stickles, but they're very pretty colors. Some of which I don't even have yet. Distressed glitter. Ooh, this is broken china. I like that color. I'm not a huge fan of orange and yellow, unless it's on sunflowers, but I do a lot of blues and blacks and stuff like that. So here's that one. Stickles. It's down here. Stickles. Any more stickles in there? Okay. Next up looks like we have some sprays. I love their sprays. Oh, this is a Windy Beachy mica spray in pearl. Very pretty. I haven't used any of the Windy Beachy sprays. Look, Dina Weekly mica spray. Ooh, this one is red. Looks a little orange on the video, but it's bright red. Mica spray. And another Dina Weekly. I do use Dilutions. So no, not the same thing. But and I also have some Tim Holtz. So nice to add these three different kinds, 2 different people to my collection. This is actually just a bag. Cool little bag, but this will be the second one that I have. So maybe when my YouTube channel gets up there, I'll do a giveaway. Add this to the giveaway. So pretty cool. Dilutions by Diane Rivoli. Stickles, liquid pearls, all their little brand names on it. And looks like there's one more thing in here. There is some foil sheets. Celebrate foil. Shiny transfer foil. Add a touch of shine. Looks like some pretty small sheets, but it'll be perfect for art journaling. Or card making if you're a card maker. Two sheets of silver. I love silver. 2 sheets of gold. 2 sheets of black. There you go. 2 sheets of each. And all of that. Thanks for joining me. If you like my unboxings and my projects, please subscribe and like this video, and also leave a comment and tell me what you like about this box, or if you would pass knowing what was in it. Thank you. Have a good day.